Hi, I'm Elizabeth from Digital Reviews Network, also known as DRN. Today we're having a look and an unboxing of the TCL 30 5G mobile phone, complete with TCL MoveAudio headphones. So let's get into it. Right, got the trusty scissors. So as you can see, we're just going to unsnip it here. And let's see what's inside the box. Okay, first impressions. Get it up the right way. We have a mobile phone right at the beginning, and as you can see, it's safely ensconced in this great safety paper. Obviously, you can see right there the mobile phone has all the barcoding and details on the back of there, and as you can see, we also have the 50 megapixel AI camera. Now for the front, I'll just peel off this sticker, and there we have it, beautiful black glossy screen. Now, not sure if it's got any charge, so let's turn it on and find out. Nothing at the moment. Might have to give it a little bit of a charge, but probably help if I read the instructions first, hey? Normally I'll leave that up to the men not to, but in my case I will. So, also included is this great cover, obviously to go on the back, so let's put it on, which is a bit of a bonus really, because a lot of the time you have to actually go and buy these covers, so that's really nice to see. If I can get it on, they're fairly easy to get on. Snip it on and off you go. Right, there we go, she's on. As you can see, it's pretty good there. Now, in the pack, we also have the quick start guide, which I'll have a read of shortly. It's got lots of information there, and lots of obvious waste disposal and recycling, how to charge your ear pods that are included, and yeah, lots of instructions in the normal variety of languages, including the Let's Get Started menu there from TCL for the MoveAudio earpods. So while I'm at it, you get the normal charge cord, a plug, USB-A with the Australian point, and a variety of earbuds to go with your earpod by the looks of it. So let's have a quick look at this. Great case, really like the case. I'll open those up. It's got a USB-C charging port, as you can see. Now when we have a quick look at this, oh, opens the other way, there we go. Interesting. So as you can see, there's quite a lot of, you get your variety of earbud covers here, depending upon the size of your ear. And yeah, they're kind of, they're a bit different. I don't mind this post here. You're not going to lose them in a hurry by the looks of it. So what I'll do now is I'll charge all of this up, as you can see the TCL there, and I'll let you know all the specs, but so far looking good. The TCL 30 5G with TCL MoveAudio S600 true wireless headphones valued at $249 is available now from JB Hi-Fi, Officeworks, Target, Southern Phone, Amazon and Dick Smith online with a registered retail price of $599. Merry Christmas everybody.